Hello friends, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Tacha Sawan. Oh, it's a Chinese greeting. Good morning everybody. Well, today we are on the 26th, right? Today is Thursday, 26th of February 2026. Right? 2026 and today is 26. 202626. Well, in Chinese calendar, today is January 10. Yes, a big year for January 10. Therefore, the Spring Festival has already gone. Tapos na po. And the life in China now back to normal. As usual, wake up, work, and then go home. Yun na. The offices are high alert for the incoming orders of goods from other countries. That includes us. And the factory is running fast for the production. I can see that because of the economic situation of the world, I can feel that we will start feeling the pinch of price increases soon. Perhaps next month. Yun na. Kasi business kailangan bumawi eh. Sa dami ng beses na price increases ng mga gasolina, businessmen now are tightening belt. So, after that, ano gagawin? Edi, price adjustment lahat. So, businessmen like us should understand this cycle in business. Ganun kasi yun eh. Malaking nawawala sa profitability ng isang businessman, ng isang factory. So, kailangan ng adjustment. I hope we can adjust on a compromise pricing na absorbable pa rin ng Filipino people, especially ni Juan de la Cruz, dahil pag sobrang mahal, masisira po ang location ng economy natin. And the people will go hungry. When people are hungry, trouble comes, chaos, something like that. We don't like that to happen in the Philippines because it hurt also us. Remember, as I said, we are Chinoy. We have never been a Chinese. Pilipino po kami, tulad nyo. Kaso lang, may dugo lang kami ng Chinese. Pero puso po, tulad mo, wala po kayong naiiba sa amin. At wala rin kami po naiiba sa inyo. We are the same as you are. We love our country, Philippines. I know you love your country, Philippines. Dapat natin po mahalin ang Pilipinas. Dahil nag-iisa lang po ang Pilipinas. Pag wala na po ang Pilipinas, wala na po tayo lahat. You, me, or Filipinos, wala na po. Kawawa po tayo. Homeless po ang lahat. Ayaw natin mangyari yan. We will fight for the Philippines. Our patriotism has to be has to be developed now. Kailangan po ng Pilipinas ang patriotic Pilipino. Now, today po, lalo na sa sitwasyon natin. Kailangan po natin ng isang nagmamahal po na buong puso sa bansang Pilipinas po. We are trained when we were in elementary, especially during our dormitory days in Iloilo Senior High School. Every morning po, we have to fall in the line. Flag ceremony po kami. After flag ceremony, we put allegiance to the country which we stand for. And same also during the afternoon, 5:15, when class is dismissed, meron po kami flag retreat. Ngayon po, bihira ako na makita meron tayong ganyan eh. Sa offices ng government ngayon. Only Monday and only Friday. So, hindi po ako sangayon yan. Dapat po, every day. Those are the obligation of the Filipino people to the Philippines. The flag that represents our country, we have to respect and we have to fight for our country. Ganyan po, dapat po. Hindi yung Monday, Friday po. Mali yan po. And we do not want that kind of practice. Wala po din